Driving! 1, 2, 3.
Hello!
Hello!
I am Michelle, and I garden here in Atlanta where it never snows, but it's icy today. So we will be doing a garden tour. Let's go!
Sophia got a little jealous that her little sister has done a garden tour and she hasn't done one. So today is the perfect day. We are in the middle of Ice Frostmageddon. Perfect, yeah. Not much is happening here in Atlanta, except it's very, very cold and some of the trees are icy.
What on earth?
Sophia's going to take you through and show you the winter interest that's in our garden and point out the things that are still green or look good to her.
To me.
Without falling.
Likely. Let's get started. I like this one because it's still green and it's pretty because it's like icy, but it's also cute and little. This is a green penguin dwarf pine. My mom planted it 5 years ago and it only gets up to 4 feet tall. So it grows real slow.
Hey, Sophia, do you like that one?
No, it looks deformed. Let's look at this one instead. This one's cuter because it stays in a little ball shape and it still has color during the winter to brighten up the garden. Called an Anna's Magic Ball. Has a cute name. And a cute shape. Okay, next. This is a crepe myrtle. This is how it looks if you don't chop it every year and make it look ugly. Stop doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna go.
Go ahead.
Okay, this section is pretty. This is, I think it's called a Daphne. It's, it keeps its pink color in the winter, so it gives your garden a little shine. And these are called lamium. This is a lamium. It can spread, and I like it because it's not completely green. It has a green outline on the leaves, and then it has white in the middle. It's a floor cover, so it keeps weeds away, and it's much prettier than mulch. This is a Carex Everlow, I think, is what it's called, and it's really bright, so it stands out in the garden. And these are hydrangeas. In the summer, it looks really pretty with these ones. They're evergreen, but it's more like ever yellow. And they go well with the hydrangea when it is a hydrangea. I like this purplish plant. It's called a what?
A hellebore.
A hellebore. It's really bright during the winter. It's one of the first blooming plants in your garden. My mom said only one more plant. I'm gonna check the front yard. This is my favorite plant. This is Honey. She's 4 years old and she's really fast, so she grows really quickly. I love you, Honey. Just kidding. This is a really pretty lollipop plant. You need to trim it, but it stays in this cute... You can trim it now. But it stays in this cute ball shape, and Yeah. And we have 2 of them surrounding my other favorite plant who has seemed to have gone.
So many of my favorites didn't make the cut, so I wanted to add a couple of honorable mentions if you're looking for easy, low maintenance, compact, plant it and forget it evergreens that'll make your garden just a little bit more fun during the winter time as we wait for spring to roll around.
Thanks for watching. Hope you stay warm and safe this winter. And remember, only 2 more months till spring. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Oh yeah.